Hello everyone. I'll show you how to enable and use the hidden clipboard history on Windows 11. It's a very handy feature that allows you to access multiple copied items easily, and it's simple to set up. Start by right-clicking on the Start icon and selecting Settings. In the Settings window, click on the second option, System. Scroll down on the right-hand side, and you'll find Clipboard under the Cut, Copy, and Paste section. Click on that. Now, you'll see the option to turn on clipboard history. Once enabled, you can save multiple items to your clipboard and access them later. To view your clipboard history, just press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard. This will show you all the items you've copied recently. If you want to access your clipboard history across other devices, like a Mac, iPad, or mobile phone, you can enable the Sync Across Devices option, provided your devices are connected to the same Microsoft account. Additionally, you can clear your clipboard history at any time by selecting Clear from this menu. Once clipboard history is enabled, press the Windows key plus V to open your clipboard history and see all your copied items. You can even use emojis directly from the clipboard history interface, which is a neat bonus feature. That's it. Now you know how to access and use clipboard history in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've used this feature before, or if you plan to start using it now. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next tutorial.